$15 million dream house for sale, luxury real estate tour. Welcome to a breathtaking journey through luxury real estate. Join us for an exclusive tour of this remarkable dream house, currently on the market for $15 million. This uber-luxurious mansion, located midway between Westmount and downtown Montreal, is sited on a masterfully landscaped 15,000 square feet lot featuring a spectacular inground pool. The sprawling three-story home with elevator has undergone a recent renovation by a celebrated Montreal architect. The result is nothing short of spectacular. Amenities include an expansive ground floor layout with walkout terrace ideal for entertaining, a spacious ground floor den off the kitchen, massive bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, huge basement with playroom, home office, cinema room, wine cellar, integrated 3-car garage, a heated driveway, and so much more. House with garden. This exceptional residence is a true masterpiece, boasting lavish living spaces, elegant design, and an array of high-end amenities. From its spacious rooms to its meticulously landscaped grounds, every detail of this property exudes opulence and sophistication. We invite you to explore this stunning house with us, room by room, to discover the unmatched beauty and functionality it offers. Whether you're a real estate enthusiast, a connoisseur of fine living, or someone in search of the perfect dream home, this tour is sure to captivate your imagination. Don't miss the opportunity to own a piece of luxury living at its finest. For inquiries or to schedule a viewing, please contact us. Subscribe to our channel for more exclusive real estate tours and inspiration for your next home.